Hi there, I'm Kubanishbek Hasan Ali and I'm from Kyrgyzstan. And I'm living in Bishkek, it's a capital city of Kyrgyzstan. And I'm studying in Atatürk Alato International University. And I'm a student in one of the best universities in the city. And my designation in the future is international relations. I really want to become one of the best specialists in this industry to represent the best of my country in every aspect. One of the steps to be the best is to know more about the world and try to learn languages, traditions, and the cultures of other countries. In my opinion, United States is the right place to get the right knowledge. In a summer vacation, I used to work as a waiter, receptionist in the hotels. Throughout my experience in the customer service field, I learned how to deal and read each and every customer. I had a lot of hard time and problems which made me stronger in solving them in an appropriate manner. If more about my strengths, then I'm responsible, hard worker, communicative and creative and proactive. And if I had a chance to work in your company, I would meet all your expectations by providing best of my skills and knowledge. Also, I hope that you can help me to build and improve my skills by giving a chance to visit, work and travel in the United States. I hope to see you in the near future, hopefully in America. Thank you very much.